If you want to send cold emails at scale without getting your Gmail account burnt, blocked, or sent to spam, this video will show you how Instantly AI works step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know what Instantly AI is, how people use it for cold outreach, and also how to set up campaigns the right way even if you are a complete beginner. Now, what is Instantly AI? Instantly AI is a cold email automation platform built specifically for scaling outreach safely. Instantly helps you send cold emails from multiple inboxes, warm up email accounts automatically, and also run high volume cold email campaigns. You can also use it to rotate inboxes to protect deliverability, track replies and open rates and performance, and also unlike tools that only send emails, Instantly is built to protect your sender reputation while scaling. Now, who would I recommend Instantly AI to? If you're an agency running outreach for clients, freelancers doing lead generation, or founders selling B2B services, recruiters, or anyone sending cold emails at scale. If you're sending more than a handful of cold emails daily, Instantly is made for you. I've included a link in the pinned comment and description which you can sign up and follow along. Now let's dive in. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And the first thing you'll need to do once you're signed into Instantly AI is connect your email account or email accounts better yet. So you're going to tap on the fourth icon from the top left hand corner. From here, you're going to tap on Add New. And with Instantly AI, you can choose to connect your G Suite account, you can choose to connect your Microsoft 365, or you could connect your Hostinger or so on by tapping on any provider. You're given numerous options. You can either choose to purchase a Gmail account right here, so you could tap on Gmail G Suite, done for you email setup, and you could do that if you want. Another feature of Instantly AI is once you have connected your email account, you'll be able to use their built-in email warm-up feature. So all you'll need to do is tap right here where you see warm-up emails. From there, you'll be able to automatically warm up your emails. So this automatically sends and replies to warm-up emails, builds sender reputation, and prevents spam issues. So all you need to do is turn it on, let it run in the background. But most beginners tend to skip this step, and that's why their emails fail. So you want to turn on warm-up email, as this helps to build credibility. And also, if you're planning to send email at scale, I would recommend that you connect multiple inboxes. So instead of blasting emails from one account, Instantly rotates sending, keeping daily limits safe, and protects deliverability. This is one of Instantly's biggest advantage. After you've connected your email, the next thing you'll need to do is you can start your cold email campaign. So you'll go over to the left hand menu option, tap on campaigns. From there, you're going to tap on add new in the top right hand corner, and you can give your campaign a name. Then you'll tap on continue. After you have tapped on continue, you can add your leads, so you can tap on add leads. You can choose to either upload a CSV file, use Instantly AI's super search, or enter emails manually, or use Google Sheets. Let's say we were to select super search. After you have done that, you can choose to search by job titles, locations, industry and keywords, employees, revenue, lookalike domain, or domains. What I like to do is search by domain. So all I would need to do is simply copy a domain name. So let's say this one. So you'll select the domain name, then you'll go back and you're just going to tap on domains right here, and you're going to paste in the domain name. So let me do that real quick. After you have done that, you're going to tap on enter, and you'll give it a few seconds and you can see that it has been populated. Once it has done that, you're going to tap on find emails in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on find emails, you can select work email. So you're just going to leave work email right there, and you can select fully enriched profile. So by selecting fully enriched profile, you'll be able to also get their LinkedIn account and so on. So you can tap on continue. After you have tapped on continue, from there you can choose to enrich whether the first 25 leads, or enrich 100 leads, or 1,000 leads. It all depends. So you can tap right here. Let's say I were to select enrich 25. Then you'll give it a few seconds. And from there, you're going to get their work email account and it will also verify it. So you're just going to give it a few seconds. Once it is verified, you're going to tap on the box in the top left hand corner right here. You can choose to select all or you can choose to select the first 10. After you have selected them, from there you can tap on actions. And from after tapping on actions, you'll be able to move it. For example, you can select move better yet, and you can move it to a campaign or you can create a list. After you have created your list, the next thing I want you to do is start sending your emails. So you're going to tap right where you see campaigns from the left hand menu option. After you have tapped on campaigns, from here you can select leads and you can see the leads have been added. After they have been added, you're going to tap on sequences. By selecting sequences, you'll be able to set up your emails. So for example's sake, let's say you would like to create an email, a cold email. What I would recommend you do, if this is brand new to you, you can choose to use AI, and with Instantly you're also provided with different templates. So you could go down to the bottom of the page, tap on templates, and depending on the cold outreach that you're doing, whether it be lead generation, different options you can see from the left and right here, you can choose whichever one of these best suits you. So for example, let's say B2B list building service, and you can select whichever one of these templates. So I could select this one, then you will tap on use template. After you have done that, you can also add a next step. So you could tap on add step and you can choose whether you like to send the next email the following day. Then from there, you can tap right here and you could add the follow-up. So I could tap on templates, and then from there I could scroll down and I could select a particular template. So for example, what I selected was B2B list building. Then I could select the first follow-up, tap on use template, and you can also add in the delay right there. After you're finished, you're going to tap on schedule. So I'll select schedule right here, and you can choose when you would like it to start, when you would like it to end, and you'll give your schedule a name. You can add in the timing, and you can choose the days that you would like it to send. So that's how you'll be able to set that up, and you'll be able to set up follow-ups. And what I want to quickly go over is with Instantly AI, you can use their super search feature. And from here, you'll be able to find leads just like what I was saying earlier. So instead of uploading CSV files, you can actually search right here. And they also offer numerous features, for example, with Prospero, which is a platform that I rate. And with Prospero, you'll be able to verify work emails. So you can use it right here if you want. Now, after doing that, what I want you to do is go over to the left-hand menu option once more, and you're going to tap on Analytics. And inside Instantly, you can see send emails, replies, open rates, and also positive versus negative responses. So you can reply directly from the dashboard if you want, or manage multiple inboxes in one place. This saves a massive amount of time. With Instantly, you have numerous use cases. You can use it as an agency outreach platform where you'll be able to upload client lead lists, run niche specific campaigns, and book calls consistently. You can also use it as a freelancer, whether you like to pitch your services, or founders and startups that would like to validate offers better yet and book demos. Instantly AI is a toolkit that is perfect for practically anyone that wants to do cold email, and you don't have to get a lead tool. You can use its built-in lead tool. Another feature of Instantly AI is if we were to go over to the left-hand menu option, you can tap on CRM and you can see that it also offers a CRM. Now, if we were to check out the pricing of Instantly AI, for the amount of features that it offers, it is quite affordable. You can get started for as low as $47 and it can go up to $358. Hope you found this tutorial and review helpful and informative. If you would like to give it a try, I've left a link in the pinned comment and description, and thank you for watching.